Hi, in this video we will see how we can create a drop-down using Excel. So we have a sample record set where there is couple of student and there is a state. We'll create on a state drop-down here. At first we need to create the data sheet. So we are going to open a new sheet and then here we need to type all the state name. But here we don't need any header. We'll simply type the state name like Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, California or Georgia, something like that. We have this data set. Now we need to create the data set by selecting all of them and then right click, and then from this menu we have to choose define names, and then we have to type a name. For this case, suppose we want to type a name like state, and from this drop down we have to choose workbook so that we can use everywhere on this worksheet. And if we press OK button, then it will pop up this type of warning or error. Basically, if the name is duplicate, it will not take. So our name should be unique. So I'm typing the name as like states, and then I'm going to hit the OK button. Finally, it creates the data list. Now we'll go to the first sheet where we want to choose the drop down. Basically, we want to create the drop down. So here we have to select the cell where we want to create the drop down. After selecting the cell, we need to click the data inside this ribbon, and here we have to click here data validation, and it will open this type of window. From here we have to come settings, and from this allow this thing we have to choose list, and then we have to choose the source, and inside this source we have to link the data. So we have to type equal sign and then the state's name, and finally click on the OK button. Once you click the OK button, we'll see a drop down is there, and if we press here we'll see all the list of states. Same way we can also copy the same drop down for other cells also, and everywhere it will work as usual like drop down. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily create a drop down list in Excel. Thank you guys for watching the video.